There are thousands of AI websites now. And that is actually the problem. Every week, someone posts a new list of tools that promises to change your life. But most people do not need 100 AI tools. They need a small set of useful websites that solve real problems. Writing, research, studying, design, video, audio, organization, automation, and everyday productivity. In this video, I'll show you 20 AI websites everyone should know, especially if you are a beginner and want tools that are actually practical. This is not about collecting random websites. It is about knowing which tool to use for which type of task. Let's start with the most obvious category, AI assistants. Number 1 is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most useful general AI assistants because it can help with writing, brainstorming, summarizing, planning, learning, and turning rough ideas into clearer output. You can use it to write emails, create outlines, explain topics, generate checklists, improve drafts, or think through a problem. For beginners, this is usually the best place to start because one tool can help with many different tasks. Number 2 is Claude. Claude is another strong AI assistant, especially useful for writing, editing, long documents, summarizing information, and thinking through complex ideas. If you work with long notes, scripts, documents, or detailed explanations, Claude can be very helpful. A simple use case is pasting a rough draft and asking Claude to make it clearer, shorter, and easier to understand. Number 3 is Google Gemini. Gemini is useful if you already use Google tools and want an AI assistant connected to the broader Google ecosystem. You can use it for explanations, brainstorming, planning, writing help, and productivity tasks. It is also a useful option for people who already spend a lot of time in Google Search, Gmail, Docs, or other Google products. Number 4 is Microsoft Copilot. Copilot is useful if you work inside Microsoft tools like Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, or Edge. For example, it can help summarize information, draft messages, organize ideas, and assist with office-style productivity tasks. If your work or school already uses Microsoft, Copilot is worth knowing. Now let's move to research and learning. Number 5 is Perplexity. Perplexity is useful for research because it works more like an AI answer engine than a normal search bar. You ask a question, and it gives you a summarized answer with sources to explore. This is helpful when you want to understand a topic quickly, compare ideas, or find a starting point for deeper research. Number 6 is Notebook LM. Notebook LM is useful when you want to study or analyze your own material. You can use it with notes, documents, sources, and research material to ask questions, create summaries, and organize what you are learning. For students, researchers, content creators, or anyone working with documents, this can save a lot of time. Number 7 is Elicit. Elicit is useful for academic research and finding papers. If you need to explore studies, research questions, or academic sources, it can help you find relevant papers and summarize key points. This is more specialized than general AI assistants, but it is very useful for serious research. Number 8 is Consensus. Consensus is another research-focused AI website that can help answer questions using scientific research. It is useful when you want evidence-based information instead of general internet opinions. For beginners, the key is simple. Use tools like this when the quality of evidence matters. Now let's move to design and visuals. Number 9 is Canva. Canva is one of the easiest websites for creating graphics, presentations, thumbnails, social posts, and simple designs. Its AI features can help generate designs, rewrite text, create visuals, and speed up the design process. For beginners, Canva is useful because you do not need to be a professional designer to make something decent. Number 10 is Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is useful for AI-generated images and creative visuals. You can use it to create image concepts, generate backgrounds, experiment with styles, or support creative projects. It is especially relevant if you already use Adobe tools or want more design-focused AI image features. Number 11 is Ideogram. Ideogram is useful for generating images that include text, posters, logos, social graphics, and creative visual concepts. If you want AI images with bold visual text, this is a website worth knowing. It can be useful for content creators, marketers, and anyone experimenting with visual ideas. Now let's move to video creation. Number 12 is CapCut. CapCut is popular for video editing, short-form content, captions, templates, and social video workflows. Its AI features can help with captions, editing speed, and turning clips into more polished videos. If you are making shorts, TikToks, Reels, or simple videos, CapCut is a practical tool to know. Number 13 is Pictory. Pictory is useful for creating videos from scripts, articles, or text-based content. For faceless YouTube channels, it can help turn a written script into a video with visuals, voiceover, and editing support. It is not the only tool in this category, but it is useful for people who want a script-to-video workflow. Number 14 is Runway. Runway is a more advanced creative video AI website. It can help with AI video generation, editing, effects, and visual experimentation. For beginners, you may not need it on day one, but it is worth knowing if you want more creative or cinematic AI video options later. Number 15 is Descript. Descript is useful for editing audio and video in a text-based way. For example, you can edit spoken content by editing the transcript, remove filler words, and clean up recordings. This can be very helpful for podcasts, talking head videos, tutorials, and voice-based content. Now let's move to audio and voice. Number 16 is 11 Labs. 11 Labs is known for AI voice generation and voiceover workflows. It can be useful for narration, faceless videos, educational content, and audio projects. If your content needs voice but you do not want to record everything manually, this is a major website to know. Number 17 is Otter. Otter is useful for transcription, meeting notes, and turning spoken conversations into text. If you attend meetings, record interviews, or want to turn audio into searchable notes, Otter can save time. This is especially useful for students, teams, creators, and professionals. Now let's move to writing and organization. Number 18 is Grammarly. Grammarly is useful for improving writing, fixing grammar, adjusting tone, and making text clearer. It is practical for emails, documents, schoolwork, professional writing, and online communication. Even if you already use AI writing assistants, Grammarly can still be useful as a writing polish tool. Number 19 is Notion. Notion is useful for organizing notes, projects, tasks, content calendars, and knowledge bases. With AI features, it can help summarize notes, rewrite text, brainstorm ideas, and organize information. If your problem is not just creating content but keeping everything organized, Notion is worth knowing. Number 20 is Zapier. Zapier is useful for connecting apps and automating repetitive tasks. For example, you can connect forms, spreadsheets, email, task managers, and content trackers. This is where AI and automation start working together. Instead of just creating content or writing notes, you can start building systems that move information automatically. Now, before you open 20 new tabs, here is the important part. Do not try to use all 20 websites at once. That is how beginners get overwhelmed. Instead, choose one tool from each category. One AI assistant. One research tool. One design tool. One video tool. One audio tool. One organization or automation tool. That is already enough to build a powerful beginner AI toolkit. Here is a simple starter stack. Use ChatGPT for thinking and writing. Use Perplexity for research. Use Canva for visuals. Use CapCut or Pictory for video. Use 11 Labs for voice. Use Notion or Zapier for organization and automation. That small stack is much more useful than collecting dozens of websites you never actually use. The goal is not to know every AI website. The goal is to know where to go when you have a specific problem. Need to write faster? Use an AI assistant. Need to research faster? Use a research tool. Need visuals? Use a design tool. Need video? Use a video tool. Need voice or transcription? Use an audio tool. Need to organize or automate your workflow? Use an organization or automation tool. That is how AI becomes practical. If this helped, subscribe to AI Daily for simple AI tools, beginner-friendly tutorials, and productivity workflows. And if you want to know when the next beginner AI workflow goes live, turn on notifications after you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.